If you want to scan a QR code on OPPO Find X9, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. We can, for example, open the camera, and usually we can just simply put the QR code within the camera frame in order to scan the QR code and get the link. As you can see over here, we have the website link generated from the QR code. Maybe we need to put it a little bit closer, and there we go. And in case it is not working for you, we can open the settings in the camera. And then over here, we need to find the QR code scanning option. And of course, we need to make sure that it is enabled. Besides that, you can also find the QR code scanner in Control Center or Quick Settings. Let's see if it's actually added by default. In my case, it is over here. In case you don't have it, you will have to tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner and then on this plus in order to find it in these options. And over here, once we open the QR code scanner, we can just simply point at the QR code and you should be able to open the generated link in the default browser. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.